Today's activity is an activity to try to get you out of the house into nature. You can do it walking around your neighborhood or you can go to a local park. Today we found a sunflower field near our home, so that's where we're going to take our activity. And the activity that we're going to do is a nature bracelet. It's an easy activity that you can do with kids all ages, and all you need is a little tape, which we're using painter's tape that is easy and soft to cut and to use. And we're gonna collect flowers, petals, anything that stands out to you. So we're going to be collecting them, we're gonna be taping them, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So let's get started. Choose a location where you and your child can go for a slow, gentle walk. Choose a field, choose your neighborhood, just somewhere where they can go and have a nice walk. Start collecting petals and flowers and leaves that your child grabs attention to. You can put them in a basket or in a bag, and then keep observing and listening to what they're interested in, what they're pointing at. We're going to make a bracelet, and to do this, we're going to take a little bit of painter's tape and we're going to wrap it around our wrist. You can do this before the walk and just put the petals as you do the walk, or you can do it like us at the end of the walk with all the collections of petals that you had in your basket. Encourage your child to use their fine motor skills to take the petals out of the flowers and put them in the tape. This is going to work on those fine motor skills. It's going to let them investigate how the flowers smell, feel, and the touch. Today, he wasn't into touching much, but we really try to encourage it and observe what we're looking. All the flowers are different, all the little petals are different, so let's just take some time to observe and just talk about it. If your child wants to collect rocks and sticks instead, that is okay. Just put them all in the basket. You collect the flowers, the petals, and then take some time to talk about them and sit down and observe what colors do you see, what sizes do you see, do they feel different, do they smell different. It's all about the power of observation. We want to get our child in nature and used to the power of observation. So that is the whole focus of the walk. We're just going to have the mission to collect the petals, but the job of itself of the walk is to just have that power of observation start to be developed in our children. So don't forget to go onto the community and let us know how your walk went, and let's see those bracelets. Show us what you got.